Did you know that there is a place on Earth where a mountain of 50 million tires once stood, and when it caught fire, the smoke could be seen even from space? This place is in Kuwait, a small but wealthy Gulf country where in the middle of the desert lies a graveyard, not of humans but of old tires. It is called the Scrap Tire Graveyard of Kuwait, spread near Al-Jara and Sulaybia. This was the world's largest tire graveyard. More than 50 million tires were dumped here, so many that the site was clearly visible from satellite, like a vast black cloud. From the 1990s to 2010, the number of vehicles in Kuwait rose rapidly. Every year, millions of old tires were discarded. But there was no solid solution for disposal. The government and private companies began stockpiling them in open fields, planning to deal with them later. The problem was, there was neither proper recycling technology nor a long-term plan. Slowly, this site became a ticking time bomb, because tires are made of flammable rubber, oil, and toxic chemicals. In 2012, a tragedy occurred when some children accidentally set the tires on fire, and what happened next became history. The fire burned for 17 days straight. The smoke was so dense and poisonous that it was visible from space. NASA and other space agencies captured its images from satellites. This wasn't a one-time incident. 3 times such fires occurred. Each time, millions of gallons of water and sand were used to extinguish it. But by then, the environment had already suffered massive damage. The air, soil, and water all became toxic. After these events, Kuwait faced pressure from countries and environmental organizations worldwide. The UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, called it a ticking time bomb and demanded urgent action. The WHO warned that thousands of people nearby could develop cancer, asthma, and skin diseases. Under pressure, in 2016, the Kuwaiti government launched a mega plan, the Tire Recycling Initiative. Under this plan, the tires were shredded into small pieces, rubber was separated, and then reused to make playground flooring, rubber mats, pavements, football stadium grass, and even bitumen mix for roads. Companies like Kuwait Recycle, Kolon, and Episco Global General Trading were assigned responsibility. Over the years, they began cleaning up the 50 million tires, and by 2021, the tire graveyard was almost completely eliminated. Today, in place of that tire graveyard, a new eco-friendly industrial park is being developed, which includes Kuwait's largest tire recycling factory. Where once stood a black mountain of tires, now green technology and smart solutions are being developed. This wasn't just the cleanup of one country, it's a warning for the whole world. If hazardous waste like tires is not managed in time,